How to find Ultralite Cordless, Complete Kit. 1. Research online. Begin by searching for the Ultralite Cordless, Complete Kit on popular online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, or specialized electronics websites. Check the product descriptions to ensure it's the correct kit. 2. Official manufacturer's website. Visit the manufacturer's official website for authentic information and direct purchasing options. This ensures you're buying genuine products with a warranty. 3. Retail stores. Check local electronic or hardware stores that may stock cordless kits. Ask the staff for assistance if you need more information about availability. 4. Read reviews. Before purchasing, read customer reviews to understand the product's quality and performance. Websites like Reddit or product review platforms provide user experiences.